Hello everyone, my name is Stefano Piccino and I am a second year student of Sport Business Management at London Metropolitan University. This is the fourth and final video of for the Learning Through Work module, and the topic of this video is a reflection on my placement on Millwall Community Scheme, and I will also summarize my personal development with the evidence of examples of things that I did at work. I have to say that it wasn't easy for me to get involved into the community scheme lives, considering that I was going to Millwall every Tuesday, so just one day a week. And I personally think that this is not enough to get involved and to be a real part of the team. Anyway, I talked to the facility manager, Mr. David Briggs, and asking him if there is a chance to continue my work placement even after the under 40 hours. So he told me that he will give me this opportunity during the summer as well. I will continue my work placement on Millwall Community Scheme. As I've already explained during one of my previous video, I've applied several theories during my placement on Millwall, theories that I've learned during these 2 years of university, of course, such as managerial theories, marketing theories, interviewing theories. I've also used question techniques for my interview. I had to apply my Excel knowledge gained during my first year of university, communication skills, and managing group of people and leading group of people as well. For example, I've used methods of research that I've learned during my first year of university, such as pest analysis or internet researches or interviews. During one of the first tasks that Mr. Briggs gave to me, basically I had to gain as much information as I could about the Millwall Community Scheme. I have adopted a pest analysis and a SWOT analysis in order to gain as many information as I could about the company and about its management. I have applied also interviewing theories that I've learned during the human resource management module of my second year, and also I've used a wide range of question techniques during my interview with the facility manager, with sport development manager, with duty managers or other members of the staff. I also different question techniques such as closed questions, open questions, which are really useful to start an open conversation. I've used funnel questions, leading questions, and follow-up questions as well. I have to say that I found really useful the first year module called Facility Management, in the way it helped to have some knowledge about how to manage a facility, in particular a sport facility. So it was really related to what I was doing at Millwall. During my work placement at the community, I had to apply some of my skills as well, and I have to admit that I did improve some of those. I developed my customer service skills through effectively dealing with clients' complaints, for example. I am now also aware of how to formulate a finance statement for the year of a company, thanks to one of the tasks that Mr. Briggs gave to me, which was, as I said in my second video, to create the new finance statement for the Millwall Community Scheme for the next year, 2013-2014. I have also now a clear understanding of how a leisure centre works, how facility sports such as football pitches, sports hall, tennis court, they have to be managed. I'm clear on how to calculate the cost, the revenue and the profit of the company. And also I am much more confident than I was before in communicating to a group of people, leading, managing them, especially thanks to the course that I did to achieve the Football Association Level 1 coaching. It was a course, it took like 1 week, and I had to manage a group of 8 people. I had to leading them, and so basically this really helped me to improve and to improve my communication skill and to be more confident when I have to talk or have to manage big group of people. I also improve my presentation skills in terms of presenting a project or a work. Presentation skill, both written and communication skills, both written and verbal. I consider myself as well a problem solver. I use like initiative in certain situation. I consider myself as well quick learner. Like I always like to learn new things and always have a positive approach. I also improve the teamwork skills. Honestly, I prefer working individually rather than depending from other people, but in any group work situation that I had in the past, at university and Millwall as well, I've never had big issues and I've always enjoyed getting positive feedbacks from the manager or from the teacher or whoever. I improved during this placement my organizational skills such as team management and prioritization. For example, when I had a list of tasks given by the facility manager, it was my responsibility to organize my agenda in order to meet the deadlines.